find the value of h square and then certainly value of h. Okay, so the value of x is a square minus c square plus b square upon 2b. We will put this value over here. So here for the calculation to go. So here is value h square is equal to, from equation number 1, x square is equal to a square minus x square, and the value of x is equal to a square minus c square plus b square upon 2b. Put this value over here, a square minus c square plus b square upon 2b whole square of x. Now we will calculate the value of h square and then value of h from here. So that would be the value of height of this triangle according to this base. So h square is equal to a square. Here we can use the square of numerator upon denominator. That would become a square minus c square plus b square whole square upon 2b. Whole square of 2b is 4b square. Now multiply this term, this denominator into this, so that will become 4a square b square minus a square minus c square plus b square whole square of this term and upon 4b square. Now arrange these terms into a square plus b square minus c square. Just to change this term by this term. So a square plus b square minus c square. So this will become a 4a square b square minus a square plus b square minus c square upon 4b square. So here we are going to write the whole square of this term. There is a whole square already. We will arrange this one. We will write this term for. Now this term will become, like we can also write this term 2ab whole square. 2ab whole square. Now here we can use the formula of the famous formula of the identity, as we all know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Or we can write the identity as well, write like this one, l square minus q square is equal to l minus q or l plus q. Just to, so you don't get confused, this a minus 1. This is the identity, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So where the value of a or l is equal to 2ab and the value of b or q is equal to a square plus b square minus c square. So if we apply this identity, that would become a minus b or l minus q, 2ab minus a square plus b square minus c square. This is in one bracket, and the next one is 2ab plus a square plus b square minus c square into another bracket. Now erase this formula, this identity, to use this space. And now the denominator of this was already 4b square. Now arrange this term into, open this bracket and then bracket under this bracket. So 2ab minus a square, and that would become minus b square and plus c square in one bracket, and in this bracket we can write 2ab plus a square plus b square minus c square, and the denominator is already 4b square. Now arrange these terms, write c square first and then common minus from all these three terms. So this will become c square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab into a bracket. So this will look like this one, c square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this one is same, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus c square, and the denominator is 4b square. Here we can see that this is the formula of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square, sorry, a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and here is the formula of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write these terms as a minus b whole square, and we can write this one as a plus b whole square. So it would become a c square minus a minus b whole square in one bracket, and another one bracket a plus b whole square minus c square, and the denominator of this is 4b square. Now again we will use the same formula, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So we will factorize this into two factors, and this one into two factors. Here we will write the next line, or the formula is this one, that is c minus a minus b. C minus a minus b into c plus a minus b. Factor of this one, and this factor of this one is a plus b minus c into a plus b plus c. So now open this bracket, and before taking the denominator of 4b square. This is the value of h square. Now open this bracket. So this will become c minus a plus b, and this one is c plus a minus b, and this will become a plus b minus c, and this is a plus b plus c. And the denominator is 4b square. Now add a in these terms and subtract a. So after doing that, this will become a plus b plus c minus 2a, and then this one add b, add and subtract b into these terms. So this will become a plus b plus c minus 2b, and same like these two, we can add and subtract c into these terms, so that will become a plus b plus c minus 2c. So this will become a plus b plus c minus 2b, and similarly a plus b plus c minus 2c, and the last one is a plus b plus c divided by 4b square. Now we all know that a plus b plus c in a triangle is for the length of a, b, c, ab, bc and ca. So this is the parameter. So parameter is 2s. This will become 2s minus 2a, and this one will become 2s minus 2b, and this one is 2s minus 2c, and this will become 2s. So 2a minus 2s minus 2a, 2s minus 2b, 2s minus 2c, and 2s. We can common 2 from here, and in all these terms, so this will become 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and the term would be s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and s divided by 4b square. Now, we can cancel out this 4 minus 2, so this 2 are cancel out. We can write s in the beginning, so it will become 4s, s minus a, s minus b into s minus c, and divided by b square. This is the value of h square. Now, if we have to find the value of the h, that would become under root, like the square root of h is equal to h 4s s minus a into s minus b into s minus c upon b square under 4 is the perfect square of 2, and b square is the perfect square of b. So after getting out from this square, we can write this h is equal to 2 and S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and divided by B, and all this will be only in under root. This is the value of H. H means this height, this altitude AM. We were calculating the value of H, which means we were calculating the value of AM. Now we can use the formula of area of triangle, that was the basic formula, 1/2 base into height. We have got height H in the form of this, and the value of BC is equal to the base is equal to B already. So we can apply the formula for the area of this triangle ABC. Area is equal to 1/2 base into height. So 1/2 base is B, base is B, BA, base is equal to it, and the height is we have already calculated over here. That is 2S minus A, S minus B, S minus C into S under root divided by B. So here 2 will cancel out by this 2 and B will be cancelled out by this one. So the value of A is equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C, and that is the formula of area of the triangle if the sides of the triangle are given A in form of A, B, and C, and this formula A is called Heron's formula.